Hope tonight, though, in the global race for a COVID-19 vaccine. Pharmaceutical corporation Pfizer says early data shows its experimental vaccine may be extremely effective in preventing the virus and with no serious safety concerns. This is the same vaccine trial that Holston Medical Group is participating right here in our area. Kristen Gallant found out what will happen once this vaccine is approved.
Experts say that even after a vaccine is approved and distributed, it will continue to be studied as long as it's in use.
No one more excited about vaccine coming than your public health officials, because we know that the only effective way to achieve herd immunity is through an effective vaccine.
Pfizer Incorporated announced on Monday that a COVID-19 vaccine may be close to being distributed throughout the United States. Tennessee Health Commissioner Dr. Lisa Piercy explained today what will happen when Pfizer files an emergency use application with the FDA.
And so that process will be, when they finish their data collection, they will submit it to the FDA. The FDA has committed to a pretty quick turnaround on that within a week or two, and then very shortly after that, in a matter of hours, 24 to 48 hours, we could see distribution statewide.
From there, Pfizer will work to distribute it across the country.
I know that it's going to be distributed through McKesson, which is one of the largest, if not the largest, drug distributor in the country, and that infrastructure is already in place.
Health departments in the Tri-Cities are already working on their own plans.
They're called points of distribution, or pods, is the concept that we'll use, and we'll be working with both open pods, which means working with the public, and also closed pods that are, let's say, like hospitals that will give their own vaccine as we receive it.
Dr. Mormon, who is a member of the Tennessee Coronavirus Task Force, says those who are most susceptible will be the first to have access to a vaccine against the virus.
There are other vaccines right around the corner, so this is not the only vaccine. There are at least 3 others that are pretty far along.
Reporting in Kingsport, Kristen Gallant, News Channel 11.